Hey, what's up guys? This is John from Power on Fun. I want to do a quick video just side by side comparing visually the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus and the Raspberry Pi 4, the 4B. We've got heat sinks on the Raspberry Pi 4 because you need them. Raspberry Pi 4 gets fairly hot stock. Even with the firmware upgrade that I do suggest you doing, you definitely need heat sinks on this. If you're going to run it hard, I do also suggest active cooling with either just the standard Pi fan or with a nice fan like a Noctua 5-volt fan. So comparing the two specs, I just want to show you what you're looking at. Raspberry Pi 4 is definitely an upgrade all around. You have multiple memory choices. On the 3, you've got a chip on the bottom. On the 4, you don't. Otherwise, they look somewhat identical. The GPIO pins are laid out the same. There's extra heat sinks you will need on the Raspberry Pi 4 that you don't have a chip for, or you don't need on the Raspberry Pi 3. So the Raspberry Pi 4, they swapped the two of the USB connectors with the network connector. So if you're trying to take an old Raspberry Pi 2, 3 case and put the Raspberry Pi 4 in it, you're not going to have a fun time. Best bet is just get a cheap Raspberry Pi 4 case. They're not much, less than $10, good to go. Other than two of the USB ports and the network being swapped, they swapped out a full-size HDMI connector for two micro HDMI connectors, as well as the micro USB power connector with a USB-C power connector port. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell for notification for more videos like this. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions below. Until next time, be safe, be kind, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.